يعني ما هو التسجيل الأكاديمي؟ بحيث يقرأ من الكتاب من الغلاف إلى الغلاف، وتقرأ رقم الصفحات، ويقرأ الهامش، أين وجدت هامشا يقرأه الباحث. لكن لن أستطيع في 10 دقائق 5 دقائق لن أستطيع أن أشرح لكم كل ما أريد في المشروع. فقط ندائي لكم، كلكم تعرفون المكتبة المركزية جامعة باتنا واحد، اتصلوا بنا فقط ونحن بإذن الله تعالى في الخدمة، واتركوا الباقي للزميل الأستاذ عبد الوهاب فليتفضل.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Me, I think I will speak in English. So to explain for you that our project that we have started by the end of the last year, I think that my friend has spoken as well as possible. But this idea was so old because we have made, let's say, an assembly on 2003, yes. So that to establish this project, but because of many obstacles that have, let's say, blocked us in such a way, we have stopped thinking about this project, even though we have tried to record some books in the traditional way, that is well known, the type of books that are found at the level of the YouTube. So for us, we have changed the idea totally to have anyone who wants to use this type of audio books. So the way of recording these books, as my friend has told you, the reader should read the book from the cover to the cover. I mean, the first cover to the second cover of the book. So when he reads the book, he says the cover of the book first. Then we turn the cover of the book, and he reads what is written in the page next to the cover. If the page is white, he should say the page is white, and he turns the page and say we go to the next page until he starts the numeration of the page, and he say, for example, page 5, 6, according to the numerations of page. I think that the writers, someone else starting their numbering from 5, others from 7, and so on and so forth. And when the reader is reading the book and he define sentence between brackets, between inverted commas, between slashes, and so forth, here he says if what is in between brackets 2 words or 3 words, he just say between brackets, and he reads what is found in between brackets, and he keeps silent for a moment. But if what is between brackets a big, long sentence, he say we open the bracket, and he reads what is written. That after finishing the brackets, he say we close the bracket. بالعربية نقول يعني لما يجي ما بين القوسين جملة يعني لا تتجاوز كلمات فيها 3 كلمات، يقول ما بين قوسين فيعطي فاصلة قصيرة ثم يواصل القراءة. وإذا كان ما بين قوسين أو شولتين أو عارضتين جملة طويلة، يقول نفتح قوس يقرأ ما كتب ما بين الشولتين أو بين القوسين، ثم يقول نغلق القوس نغلق الشولتين إلى آخره. في حد ما if he found the let's say I've forgotten how would say the hamish.
The march.
Yes, the march. Sorry. So when he when he finds the march, he read it directly. He don't let's say gathers he should not gather the march and read them at the end of reading. No, he reads them directly. Then when he reads this march, after his reading this march, he say come back to the original text. يعني باللغة العربية بعد أن ينتهي من قراءة الهامش يقول نعود إلى المتن أو عودة إلى النص الأصلي. Then after this operation, the reader should read, the book should be divided into pieces. Let's say مقاطع. and each piece should not pass the limit of 20 minutes. After finish, yes, from 15 to 20 minutes. And after finishing these pieces at the end of recording, of course, you gather them in a file and you name it by the title of the book that you have read. But these pieces, or هذه المقاطع, you should name them. I mean, for example, the first piece from the cover of the book to, for example, page 10. يعني المقطع الأول من مثلا غلاف الكتاب إلى الصفحة 10. وتكتب المقطع واحد. يعني you write piece number 1 because so that these pieces are going to be classified according to the numeration, and the reader will never find difficulty in reading this book. Anything, any question, any thing that you want to understand about this project, you can contact us at the level of the Central Library at Batna University Al-Hajj Akbar. So you can find us there, and you are welcome. Thank you for your attention, and you should know that I haven't spoken English since years, and today I want to participate and to remember myself within the language that I have studied in Cube, الجامعة المركزية القديمة عبروك مدني. So thank you for